Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. It is Halloween. Woo! No, that was corny. But guys, it is Halloween 2019. My kids are asleep. Me and the baby was downstairs. I was about to start editing and making me coffee. Skylar's in her room sleeping. So we're gonna check on her, go back downstairs with the baby who I put on, he's sleeping on the couch. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and open the vlog. It's a rainy day, guys. Like, it sucks because it's Halloween, it's a rainy day, and we really wanted to take Skylar out. Look at that. It's so dark, so dim. And we were gonna take Skylar trick-or-treating, and I would like sit in the car and be the driver with the baby, and you know, Randy would take her and walk down the streets, you know, to knock on doors. But we might have to find something inside because I don't know about this rain. So I know sometimes they do stuff at the malls. I'm gonna look into that if it keeps raining like this. So let's go check on Skylar, then we'll check on the baby, and then I'll make my coffee, start our day. Oh no, she's woke. Hi, bud. Hi, honey. You were just sleeping, now you woke?
I want it.
Huh?
I don't want to do.
You don't want what? Hi, baby. Come on, let's go downstairs, honey. Come here.
I'll turn it off.
Here, turn light on. Where you going?
Very good.
And look at her costume, guys. It's Minnie Mouse. And that's her little Halloween basket. You say good morning?
I want to do pumpkin. I want to paint the pumpkin.
Paint the pumpkin? How about we make some cookies? Some Halloween cookies. You want to make some Halloween sugar cookies? Okay, we'll make some Halloween cookies. But first...
It's Elmo.
Where do you see Elmo? Oh, the book?
Look, Elmo.
Yeah, you're still half asleep.
And the pee-pee.
You got pee-pee?
Pee-pee's right there.
Oh, the Elmo pee-pee book. Alright, guys, so she's actually up. So I'm going to let her use the bathroom, wash her face, brush her teeth, and then we're going to go downstairs. But brother's downstairs, so let's go ahead and hook you up. Alright, guys, I'll be back. So he still sleeps. Skylar's coming downstairs. I just freshened her up. Put on some fresh pajamas because I think we'll be in today. Although I did want to go out, do some stuff. Skylar, we have some Halloween cookies. Let's see. Oops, pick my ow. That hurt it. Pick mommy clipper. We got some sprinkles. I don't know why I bought this many. It's okay, honey. And then some icing. And we have sugar cookies.
Sit down.
Yeah, we're gonna make that in a few minutes, okay?
Sit down.
I have to make sure.
It's French fries.
I have to make sure I have all of the ingredients.
This.
I don't know. It says sweet cream unsalted butter. I never heard of sweet cream unsalted butter or softened. So I got butter. I'm probably just gonna warm it up and see if that works. Or we could make Halloween brownies. But I don't have no.
I go sit down.
I think I bought ingredients.
Can I go
Huh?
sit down?
Yeah, you can go sit down. You wanna say good morning?
No.
No? Not in the mood.
Good morning.
Good morning, friends. Don't be shy. What do you want to have for breakfast? Mommy needs coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee. I really need to go out, but like I said, it's so rainy. And I had I need some creamer. Like, I'm using this Walmart creamer, and usually I love Great Value stuff, but I'm not a huge fan of this creamer, the French vanilla one. But okay, well, you have to wait, honey. You want some pancakes?
No.
What was I saying? You want me to make you some Halloween pancakes?
Can I do it?
No, you're just gonna make a mess. We're gonna do the cookies later. It's too early for cookies.
Can I go sit down?
Yeah, go sit down. No, not up there. We're not baking yet. I should have never told her. Like,
go sit down.
all day she probably gonna be like, you have to wait, honey. Mommy's making coffee. We're gonna relax. Mommy needs to.
I'm going to go sit down.
I have to edit.
Go sit down.
Oh, guys. And I came up with the bright idea to vlog every day in November to prepare me for Vlogmas, which will be my first year doing it, and vlogging for the first time every day. So I'm gonna do use November as like a test run.
Let's go there. Let's go.
Wait, hun.
It's full. What's full? You ready? Ready?
Ready for what?
Ready?
I did her nails last night to match her costume. Let me see your nails. Can they see your nails?
It's in the middle.
Can they see your nails?
Nails got dry.
They're dry. We did your nails last night. Oh, this one chipped.
Oh no.
To go with your costume. Let's see.
Oh no. We're getting
And her
red.
toes.
There's some more. Wow, red. It's cool. Let's pull it out. Some paper and candies.
As I move my coffee maker over here, not sure how much I like it, but it used to be in that corner, right there. But once I had put that drawer underneath, it made the coffee higher, and I wasn't able to lift this part, so I moved it over here. It's okay.
Where's it?
Put that back.
It's right there.
So yeah, guys, I'm gonna enjoy this coffee, figure out what we're doing. Look who's awake, guys. Night.
Night.
Look who's awake. Oh. Say hi, sister.
Hi, sister.
Can you give me a kiss?
I love you.
No.
I like it. Picture.
What you gotta say?
Jesus.
Girl. Sorry. Skylar, did you figure out what you want to eat yet?
Yeah.
We're just watching TV, guys, chilling. I'm editing too, but I had to put it down because no, because baby boy woke up. So yeah, I'm about to feed these kids and then go back to my editing, and I'll come back on in a few. And he is doing, what you doing, Skylar? Push-ups? He's doing a minute of tummy time. Skylar's doing, go ahead, do your exercise. Go ahead, do your push-ups. Go ahead. The Skylar push-ups.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going.
It is nice doing his tummy time. Go ahead, do your push-ups, Skylar.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Going.
All right, you finish?
Finish.
Look at him. He's ready to cry.
Go get Bubble. Go get Bubble, Mama. Go get bubble.
He don't need bubble. Look at, there he go. He lift that head up. Alright guys, so change of plans. Randy came home a little early to surprise Skylar, so I'm actually gonna take a nap because I really didn't sleep that well last night. I think the baby has some colic, but that's a whole nother story. But yeah, I didn't sleep well, so since he's home, he got both of the kids downstairs, I'm gonna take a nap and then we'll get up and get ready to go trick-or-treating. We are gonna go to the mall. They have something there for a couple hours, so and I got a vlog, and I have a vlog that's actually uploading. Look back there on my dresser. So yeah, this isn't multitasking. I don't know what is. Yeah, I'm gonna take a nap because I'm exhausted, and I'll see you guys soon.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad
You gotta look for the signs. They're out of candy. We do that side coming back. Do this side going down.
Oh, it's a lot of people.
Yeah. Yep, I'll get your ticket. Do they have a sign? Only. In this mall, like, I don't even think you guys can hear me, but I have the baby here, and I lost Randy and Skylar. I don't know where they are. I'm gonna find them and come back on, but it's so crazy in here, like, it's so hectic. So guys, we're done trick-or-treating. I'm exhausted. We're still at the mall though. We came to this buffet at the mall, and I'm not even eating because I tried the food, but to me it tastes horrible. So I'm just waiting for them to finish, and then we're gonna head home. And I still have to bake Halloween cookies with Skylar, so wish me luck. I'm exhausted, guys. Ooh, so many little kids. It was so cute though. It was a nice thing, but it's a lot. I'm tired. Baby's sleeping. Skylar just ran over there. So yeah.
Which one?
I want to go on this one.
This one.
Hey guys, I'm gonna mix egg. I make Halloween cookies.
Yeah.
And eggs.
Yes.
Let's make it. You ready?
Alright guys, welcome back. It's the next day after Halloween, but we didn't want it to be too late, so we're actually going to... Yes, put it back. We're actually going to still make our Halloween cookies, because you know what? Better late than never. Yes, so let's make our cookies.
You ready to open them up?
Alright.
Alright.
Got our sugar cookie mix, got some butter. It says... It says it wants sweet cream unsalted butter or softened. So guess I'm gonna put the butter in the microwave for a little while. These are things to decorate this with. We don't need these yet, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's put it back.
Yeah, let's put it back. So that'll preheat.
Okay, let's make Halloween cookies.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for
mix it,
when we
so
can
go.
wash away our
Yeah.
sins, settle down, but until
Oh, no. Try to keep it together like this.
One bowl.
Yeah.
Wow, this. Okay, let's try wash your hands. Let's go ahead.
so different.
Guys, let me help her with this and then we'll come back
I
on.
don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins.
Say it again.
And you're right.
Say it's time to decorate.
I'm ready.
Are you ready? Ready for what?
I'm ready.
You ready to decorate?
Yeah.
Alright, Mommy's gonna do the first one. So Skylar, the cookies are done. They're nice and soft. Skylar put her finger on that one and we ate a couple of them because I was on the phone and distracted. So, time to decorate. Spread it out.
What the
Alright,
mess?
now what sprinkles do I want?
I don't want.
Let me see, I gotta put this on my cookie. Ooh, okay. Your turn. You wanna make a heart?
Yeah. Okay.
And then let's put some black sprinkles.
Okay. Wow. There's no one. Let's try that.
So as you can see, Skylar did all her cookies. I'm about to put them away. And yeah, all done.
Let's smell this. Okay, let's eat the cookies.
No, hold on, careful.
Yummy. I want yummy. I want yummy.
Alright guys, I know I look crazy, but I'm actually going to end the vlog here. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope your Halloween was as sweet as ours. Okay, that was corny. That was corny. Alright, but I hope your Halloween was wonderful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.